Hi guys, this is Rich. I am doing my weekly recording for Barnables, the home edition. Today is Sunday, November 1st, 2015. And we're going over some repairs that we've done. So let me pop open Unity real quick. And let's just, while that's opening up, we're going to go over the milestones. Okay. And here we are. So, basically I've got these outlined in sub-issues below, but I like just having one place I can always come back to just to kind of, you know, see see everything in one place so I don't have to hop back and forth. Okay, so let's start with play. Just to show you some of the things that changed, we've added this nice exit button here. That was milestone 1359. Okay, let's press play. And there we go. We can see that everything is much more balanced, much more... these are the actual images we'll be using, so that has been added. And I'm just going to play through real quick till we see what it looks like with all the animals. For whatever reason, I always think of an apiary when I see the bee. I think it goes on the barn. I guess that's classically overthinking the question. It's a horse, or the donkey. Okay, and that's the duck. Duck and gopher. Okay, and this is what it looks like with all animals present in the final round. So you can see it's a lot more balanced. There's no overlap anywhere. We don't have any of the problems we had before with the colliders. That's all been removed. Okay, and I'm going to go through what we've done, what we've changed. I just wanted to show you first in an actual display. Okay. So let's look over where we had to change things. So first, of course, we got all the sprites, and we go into the home folder. You can see what we've done. We imported all of them. We changed them over to sprites. That's pretty simple, straightforward stuff. I'm not gonna. And then we listed them as the actual images for when it builds using the script, and just as a 100% backup, I put those images in place. Now, remembering that our scripts use a name comparison. The name of our sprites compares back and forth. These have to be named air, barn, water, and forest for the current script to work, so I renamed them that, of course. Then what I did was I basically put in place a standardized position and methodology for positioning everything throughout so that the pieces would all be in the same place. I aligned it with the nearest side, basically, and then I moved it, I guess it was 125 degrees from the top versus 175 from either of the sides. So there was a little difference there, and that was just what looked good, what looked balanced. And then, of course, I centered the animals in the center and moved them in each side based on their total width and height, which was about 250. Yeah, okay, so there weren't any really big changes to the code this week. Let's just scroll down. I added a couple methods, so you can see most of the buttons in the game make calls to the game manager script. And this is where everyone's put everything, is just at the end. So I added an exit feature, which is just application.quit. And I changed the disable feature, of course, to close out the exit button and replace it with the restart button once the play button is hit in the game. So that the exit button is only visible in that first level there. And you can see that's where we call disable, and a similar call is made on the exit script. And then I took the graphic from, you can see Barnables had an existing sprite sheet, which I'll just pop up now. Whenever it's ready. And it already had a kind of perfect closeout button. So I used that. Okay, let me just make sure I've gone over. Okay, I'm going to do a playtest video anyway, so consider this part 1 video, and I'm going to do a playtest video that's separate from this for the PC, since that's another tablet